In case you're wondering how I know how all the pipes are lined up, is that the print line. If I line up that print line, I know that my holes underneath are at 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock. So that means through the bottom of the pipe, there is going to be holes on both sides at an even amount. And what this does is allow the water, right about there is where it'll be, so water can flow down the middle around the entire system, and then it will eventually get up high enough to leak out those holes. Well, I'm tired.